Greetings, fellow learners. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of Lightning Web Components. These components, crafted with modern HTML and JavaScript, adhere to the Web Component standards. Lightning Web Components run natively in the browser, empowering developers to wield the magic of customization on the out-of-the-box user interface. Let's start with the basics. Lightning Web Components, LWCs, are more than just custom HTML elements. They are gateways to unleashing the full potential of the Web Component standards. These components, built with modern JavaScript, promise seamless integration and native execution in your browser. Customizing the user interface, discover the power at your fingertips. LWCs empower developers to customize the user interface effortlessly. We'll explore how these components provide a canvas for crafting dynamic, user-centric experiences beyond the constraints of standard UI elements. As we wrap up our exploration into building reusable UI components with Lightning Web Components, remember, this isn't just about code. It's about empowering your applications with dynamic, user-friendly interfaces. Join us on this hands-on adventure, and let's craft components that not only enhance efficiency, but also redefine the landscape of user interactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.